Hey guys, what's up? Out here on this beautiful day. I got the kids working on the motor. I'm gonna do a whole video thing on that, maybe. I don't know, maybe not. They have no idea what they're doing. I'm just letting them take bolts out. It's fun. Oh, damn it, I showed the secret. Okay, anyway. We're introducing a new project. 76 D100. Shortbed. Yeah, the girl's not right. I know the girl's not right. But she's rough. But, you know, I like rough. You saw what I started out with on the knuckle duster. This one's going to be a lot more rust repair and body panel replacement, but I don't care. Let's start with some of the bad. I was looking at that. See, you got surface rust, but that's pretty deep surface rust right there. I don't know about all that. And holes and rockers are gone. Cab corner probably needs replaced. Doors gone. The floors are, yeah, not there. The dash is in incredibly good shape though. And the door panels are in really good shape. They're just a little chalky. I think I can get those out of that. You know, the bed's got rust. But the main piece that I personally am worried about is right up here. Get in the truck here. Pull that out of the way. See that? I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, I know, yeah, you can. All the way across on the inside of the cab is gone. Honestly, the outside of the cab is probably repairable. You can see through. So I am not sure what I'm going to do with that. I may end up just totally replacing this cab because of that. Or if I could patch it, if I could get a piece. I think Big Mike has got a truck cab that he's going to be scrapping out. I may have him just cut this whole area off. And I might graft it in, I don't know. But for now, well, let's see. There's the VIN tag. Anybody who's good at decoding VINs, there you go. You can pause it and decode that. But I've already done it. This was originally a 400 big block truck. Half-ton short bed, which to me makes it special. What it has in it now, though, crusty 318. What we're gonna do to start out, and not on this video, probably on the next video on this truck, we're gonna get this thing running. I think this motor will run. We've already had it turned over. In fact, back when the thing was delivered, we shot some video on it, and yeah, we've already got it turned over. I can insert that video right here. Let's try. Did that just pop?
I heard something.
Oh,
Get
my
some juice.
God.
I heard something. Put some more goat juice down the throat.
That's way too much.
Maybe a little too much in there, Brian.
Here, hold that.
All right, I'll hold the gasoline.
I'm glad you don't smoke.
Stand back.
I don't smoke. Come on now. Come on.
It's trying.
You want me to sit in it, hit gas a little bit, open up that that blade?
Yeah.
Now remember, the gas pedal doesn't work.
Yeah, but it's still in there.
It's on the ground.
Yeah, it doesn't exactly work.
Let's see.
Yeah, it works.
All right. The hell was that noise?
Be these two right here.
I don't know if that's an anti-theft.
Something happened.
What?
I moved these wires and something happened, I think.
I didn't hear anything.
Yeah,
Oh,
see? Something
hey,
happened.
Brian!
Hey, Brian!
I ain't touching it anymore. I ain't touching it anymore.
Come here. William moves wires and it starts making noises over here. So
Ballast resistor wasn't hooked up.
I was trying to plug it up and moving these wires just starting to turn the motor over.
So,
Try to
that
plug up.
means, is the ignition
Right there.
Is the ignition key turned all the way on, guys?
Yeah, turn the ignition key back.
he touched one side of that and she tried to come alive.
Yeah. You may need to... Is it still doing it?
Yeah.
It's still doing it. You may need to look at the electrical system before you
Oh,
try
well,
to
this
lay
ballast
thing off.
resistor, look, there ain't nothing left of it.
Oh, shot.
You want me to disconnect the battery?
She's a little crusty.
Oh, the inside part's still good. All you gotta do is
Why are you still trying to turn over?
It ain't got no point in it.
All right, I think we're done. So yeah, that happened. But it's got wiring issues, you know, it's just got issues. The whole thing has issues. But what I really want to do is I really want to get it running and driving and moving down the road. Barring any unforeseen, I mean, it's got a lot of rust. I don't think the frame would be hurt, but we're gonna find out. I'm pretty sure it's got a 9 1/4 rear end. Let's take a look. Oh, old man getting on the ground. What does that look like to you guys? That might be an 8 1/4. I don't know, somebody tell me. The more I'm looking at it, the more it does kind of look like an 8 1/4. But yeah, I'm looking underneath here. Yeah, it's rusty, but it ain't bad. Everything's rusty underneath as long as there's no cracks in the frame. Ooh. Yeah, that's the other thing I was wanting to know about. Is what transmission's in this thing. Where's the transmission pan? Oh, it's way up here. Here, I'm gonna send the camera underneath and you guys will know before I do. Does it look like a 904 or 727? I am not sure. I need to get it jacked up. Might be 727. I might be getting lucky here. Who knows? Well, guys, boy, my shop is a mess, but we got the truck in the shop, actually. I made some room, moved some stuff around. There's what I'm looking for. Keep losing that. Move some stuff around, and she's in here. And I put some fluid in the big back pot of this master cylinder, and believe it or not, it kind of pumped up a little bit, and I'm not seeing any leaks. The brake fluid doesn't evaporate, does it? So I figured the brake fluid had to go somewhere. There's got to be a leak somewhere. But you know, we'll figure that out as we go. Oh yeah, I wanted to climb underneath this. I'm gonna do that in a minute. I'm gonna climb underneath this thing now that it's not in the grass. Take a look and see what kind of transmission it's got. I was told that it does have the 9 1/4 rear end, so that would go with it being a big block truck. It's so rusty. It's gonna be fun. All right, yeah, we'll check back in a minute. Well, I am under the truck. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks to me to be a 904. So that sucks, but that's all right. I'll I'll find me a core 727 to put in it. This frame, oh, it's dark. It actually don't look that bad. I'm not seeing any holes. Yeah, it's surface rusty like a son of a bitch, but they all are. What is that? Now, but yeah, it's got the big ass rear end in it, which that's a good thing. Need to figure out what I'm going to do about that gas tank. Gas tank is leaking, and I do not like those gas tanks on the side because it makes you run dual exhaust like this. And this is pretty bad. I don't know if you can tell, but okay, here, let's do this. See that? Makes you go over and they run two pipes like this, and then they end up coming out like that right there, and I don't like that. I want to run one on one side, one on the other. Hell, I may end up putting side pipes on this truck because everybody knows I love side pipes. Well, alright. Well, so much for this video, guys. This is just an introduction to the truck, you know. And you know what I always say, like, share, subscribe. If not, I don't